Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. Today guys, I am making some delicious oven baked jerk chicken. Yes, I said oven guys. Now I know the authentic way is to grill it over an open flame, but it's super hot out y'all. We're not firing up nobody grill. We're gonna keep it simple and cool and throw it in the oven. It's still gonna taste good, alright? Now shout out to my boyfriend's Uncle Charles for sharing this delicious recipe with me. Not many ingredients at all and very flavorful. I promise you it's gonna taste like you went right to the Jamaican spot, okay? Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Okay guys, so for this particular recipe, I'll be using leg quarters. You can use whatever chicken pieces you want to use. I'm going to start by cleaning the chicken. Now this is optional. Some people don't like to clean theirs, but I prefer to clean mine. I'm going to add my chicken to a bowl along with some water, salt. I'll be using limes. You can also use lemons. And then off camera, I added in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. And I'm just going to give the chicken a nice good bath and keep repeating that process until that water runs out clean. Alright guys, now that I got my chicken clean, I'm just going to add it into my roasting pan, and then I'm going to pat it dry just to remove any excess moisture from it. Alright you guys, so I want this chicken to be flavorful throughout, so I'm just going to score or cut little slits into the chicken just so that marinade gets all up in it, okay? Alright guys, now I'm going to season the chicken generously on both sides with some seasoned salt, garlic powder, slap your mama of course, paprika, and some Caribbean Rhythm hot jerk seasoning. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to add in a couple tablespoons of this Walkerswood jerk seasoning. I'm using the mild flavor. Now they also sell this in the hot and spicy kind, so if you like your stuff super hot, definitely use that one. But if you just want a nice kick to it, just use the mild. So when I rub this in all over, making sure I get into all the creases and the crevices, it's going to seep down into those little cuts that we put in there once we let it marinate. Alright you guys, so the last thing I'm going to add on is about a tablespoon of this browning sauce. I'm going to get it nice and rubbed in, and then I'm going to cover the chicken with some aluminum foil, and we're going to let this marinate for at least 30 minutes up to 24 hours. Alright you guys, so after letting the chicken marinate for about 2 hours, this is how it looks. So now I'm going to cover it back up, place it into the oven at 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake it for about 2.5 hours, y'all. Now normally it takes about an hour and a half for these leg quarters to cook, but I want a nice dark color to it, and I want my chicken to fall off the bone, so that's why I say about 2.5 hours, and I'm going to make sure I baste it about every 30 minutes. Alright you guys, so I'm basting it one more time. This is during the last 15 minutes of the cooking process, but y'all, that is it. We are done. Super easy and delicious oven baked jerk chicken. Now I served mine with some white rice and some cabbage. I just kept it simple. Now if you want to do the actual full-on Caribbean dish, you can serve it with the rice and peas and all that. But y'all, you guys have to try this recipe. Very delicious. You will not be disappointed. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.